How the general public can verify that electronic elections and votes have not been manipulated. On election day, the Electoral Commission decrypts the mixed votes and counts them. This is done on a secure computer without internet connection. The key for opening the ballot box is split among several members of the Electoral Commission. This ensures that the ballot box cannot be opened by a single person. Like every system and voting procedure, the e-voting system is also subject to certain theoretical manipulation risks, despite the fact that comprehensive security measures are in place. However, the Electoral Commission is able to verify that the ballot box has not been tampered with and that all votes are being counted correctly. This is how it works. The e-voting system is monitored by means of control components. These control components are constructed differently from each other and run on different operating systems and computers. The control components can be compared to digital election observers or motion detectors. They detect manipulations and notify the Electoral Commission. The control components monitor various aspects, including whether the encrypted votes are manipulated as the ballots are mixed. They provide evidence that the number and content of the ballots before and after mixing are the same. During mixing, the order of the ballots received is changed in order to prevent voters from being identified. The control components also verify that the votes have remained unaltered during decryption. Using mathematical formulas, the control components deliver clear evidence that all the information is correct. This clear evidence is saved in a report, which the Electoral Commission can use to identify any irregularities. The mathematical evidence can be verified by independent persons and institutions. To this end, verification software is installed and used on a separate computer which is not connected to the Internet. This verification of the contest is known as universal verifiability in e-voting. It is the digital equivalent of a recount in physical ballots and allows society to have confidence in the election result.